Ariva cost assumption for 2022, 2025 and 2030 for the most part is what we have for you today. Right when we sort of examine the crypto market, we get the inclination that it isn't doing seriously using any and all means, yet all things being equal it by and large, is doing very well, or so they truly thought. Besides, as the year 2022 in a real sense is basically starting, it certainly is the truly ideal second to in a real sense, make a by and large couple of assumptions, which generally is very huge. Any altcoin ought to be evaluated, with certainly respects to the sort of broad market climate and Bitcoin execution, in a sort of huge manner. First and foremost, let us look at what's truly happening with this, before we sort of go into the expense assumptions we will endeavor to answers. These customarily got an explanation on a few major problems. Is Ariva Arv a shrewd endeavor? Incredibly, how sort of much will Ariva generally be truly worth in 2025? Or how much will Ariva generally be truly worth in 10 years? In a huge manner, Ariva by and by explicitly stays at 0.0001620 USD, with a market capitalization of 11,753,455, making it rank 713 in the main coins list. Arv has a 24-hour volume of 2,849,435, according to Tech Newsletter value file. In a really significant manner, the fundamentally worth of Ariva essentially has changed 284 in the beyond 24 hours in latest 7 days. The expense of Arv basically has a distinction in 453 genuinely in opposition to prevalent, thinking it generally is confined to a biggest stock of 72,553,169,190 coins, which in a real sense is very critical. Arv value expectation 2022. For long stretch Ariva cost assumptions major assessment essentially is basic, or so they for the most part thought. To the extent that industry benefits, the neighborhood representative offers a couple for the most part. In opposition to mainstream thinking, the high-level economy's freedom certainly makes it especially ideal in a significant manner, as dApps and stablecoins make the association in a real sense, offers relentless programmable portion arranged tasks, and limit decisions in a very large way. Perhaps the very typical expense of Arv will rise to about 0.0002492 by 2022. If sort of additional monetary sponsor generally are attracted to the idea for 2022, the year can end with a generally especially outrageous expense of 0.000270004, with a base worth degree of 0.000233532. In a significant manner, Ariva value forecast 2023 and 2023. With kind of more gathering and associations between by and large other huge blockchain networks, the expense of Ariva would take off the most sort of outrageous trading cost, could especially reach 0.0004181 in 2023. Which is very critical. The expense reaches will be very famous, expecting we most certainly keep it that way in a genuinely significant manner on account of all that works out. Decidedly we can sort of expect a run-of-the-mill cost of 0.000034954, with a biggest expense of 0.0004181. For 2023 Ariva value forecast 2024 instability drives the computerized money market, or so they thought today. It isn't easy to gauge and sort of stay mindful of the continuous esteeming beautiful, as opposed to prevalent, thinking. Various crypto analysts explicitly become potentially the main consider pretty such way, in an unpretentious manner. The assessing figures are appropriate for the referred to years, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Crypto customers sort of are at this point stressed over the crypto blacklists and new constraints. Ariva cost could really check 0.00058,739 in case the market sees a fair bull, especially run in 2024, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking, taking into account that it is ordinary to explicitly be held by especially long-stretch monetary patrons. Its common expense for 2024 will generally be around 0.000522888, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Ariva Value Forecast 2025. Ariva genuinely present worth explicitly reach, could interest various dealers, and thusly Arv can really reach 0.000874444 by 2025, with huge coordinated effort with money-related associations, expecting that the going with necessities are satisfied with a regular expense of 0.000752245 for 2025, it can in every practical sense beat the latest worth example to show up at new highs, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The worth trademark can especially change as the crypto market can see one substantially more bullish example while going to 2025 in a kind of significant manner. Our value expectation 2026, a predictable approach to especially manage this cash, could for the most part be found on various locales and social events. As per this assumption stage Ariva will predictable at its continuous expense from now on endlessly by 2026, the Arv sort of should justify a generally especially outrageous genuinely worth of 0.001, kind of, as opposed to prevalent thinking the base expense can really go up to 0.001, expecting that the market gets bullish genuinely, in spite of prevalent thinking. Ariva Value Expectation 2027 Arv basically have gigantic potential with genuinely unambiguous really joint endeavors and improvements, could fundamentally assemble the amount of clients and add potion lovely, in spite of prevalent thinking. If that the market truly centers around placing assets into Ariva, the expense could climb a great deal in every practical sense higher in a genuinely large way by 2027. It can really show up at a generally essentially outrageous genuinely worth of 0.002, which is genuinely huge. It generally is most certainly common that the Arv will turn a bit if the market goes down, which in a real sense is very huge. The year 2027 can end with a regular expense of 0.002 with a base expense of 0.001 and the most sort of outrageous expense of 0.002, which is genuinely critical. Arv Value Forecast 2028. There are signs that the crypto market will fundamentally enter one more age in and in every practical sense, significant way sure that the somewhat long expense assumption at Arv's expense will take off since there in a real sense is still sort of honest intentions that the cash will attract considerably in every practical sense, more thought which fundamentally is very critical. The year 2028 can end with a run-of-the-mill cost of 0.002. And a base worth truly worth of 0.002, which in every practical sense is very critical. The most fundamentally outrageous expense explicitly should trade around 0.003 Arv Value Expectation 2029 Arv will fundamentally be considered a sort of prevalent decision, and with the tremendous extremely neighborhood cost will contact new highs, or so they generally thought. The worth changes certainly are challenging to predict, especially in case the market for the most part is most certainly more bullish or especially negative than any commonly other time in ongoing memory, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge for the year 2029. The expense of Ariva will be very almost 0.003. The best worth that we can explicitly get certainly is 0.00